I started my career here at H&H in the finish shop, so working with primary steel. I eventually got good at that, wanted to kind of go further up, kind of see what I was made of, so I got part of the axle section. As it happened, I ended up being pretty good at it, and near the end of my career in the finish shop, I was lead of the axle section. I had 3 guys working under me. I'd spend a lot of time doing the kind of heavy lifting and that kind of work, technical work down there, but I'm a people person. I love to talk to people, interact with people. Here at H&H, they have plenty of opportunities for moving up. They do a lot of in-house transfers. Hey, you seem really good with this. Why don't you try this? So they have a lot of good placement for where someone fits or what they're good at. My position here is currently parts specialist, I like to say, but everyone's gonna need parts. Things are gonna break down, and I just hope to be the best at it I can, answer questions quickly and make sure to get the correct parts to them in a timely manner. But up here, it's so different. You interact with so many people. I got conversations with dealers, drivers from all around the States, and just hearing their stories and being able to talk to different people is something that I very much enjoy. I get into the position. There was a lot to take in at the very beginning. With shipping, it's very changing. There's always variables, I'd say. There's trucks that break down, there's trucks that are late, there's trucks that are early. So you really have to be kind of on top of what's coming in, what's coming out, where it's going. I really like it. I'm learning more about trailers. I'm learning how to fix trailers. I am learning how to repair trailers, answering questions, and I'm very happy to broaden that kind of knowledge I had. There's just a whole big world of trailers out there.